Good morning, viewers. Hope you are well. Today I come to you with a quick video. Just a disclaimer, I am not a medical professional. I am not a doctor. Neither was I trained in any medical field. But this advice is strictly based on experience, old time people, knowledge. You know, when you grow up in Jamaica, there are things that people do that work. I mean, I can give you stories of giving birth that my mother's advice was better than the doctor's advice. But anyway, that's not what this video is about. This video is about how to get rid of whether it's rash in the private area, whether it's a bad smell in the private area, whatever it is that you're trying to get rid of in the private area, not everything, whether rash or bad smell, those two, rash, bad smell, infection, and the doctors are not able to find a solution. I've got an answer or I've got a solution that I want you to try. One of the reasons why I'm doing this video, recently I was watching a celebrity, and as this celebrity was arguing with another celebrity, two very successful women, and she said to the other lady on camera, well, the lady wasn't there, but she recorded herself, dissing the lady. And she said, you need to go and see a gynecologist because you've got so much infection in your private area. And I said to myself, that's not something for another female to be telling another female. But anyway, that's not what this video is about. This video is the solution. So I'm going to jump straight to the problem. If you're a female and you find out that you're constantly getting smell in the private area or rash in the private area, and you've gone to the doctor, they probably give you medication, or they say, you know what, I've checked, there's no infection. I don't know where the smell is coming from or where you're getting a rash. It could be a simple thing as changing from using tissue to using a rug. I'm going to tell you how miraculous this is, and I'll say that again. It could be as simple as changing from using tissue to wiping your private area to using a rug, a soft rug. When I was pregnant with my child, I kept getting, I wasn't getting smell, but I was getting like cut in the area. Every time I passed urine, the area would burn. And I was like, okay, pregnancy may have been the reason for this, but I didn't know the solution. So I kept bathing, trying to ease the pain of that burning sensation in my private area. And I remember I went to Jamaica, and my older sister, she saw me bathing all the time during my pregnancy. I was about 6 months pregnant. And she said to me, why are you always bathing? And I said to her, since my pregnancy, every time I wee or I just sit down, there's this itchy feeling in that area, very, uncomfortable feeling. And she said, I know what it is. Stop using tissue and get a little face rag or a little rug and walk around with it. I was like, what? That doesn't make sense. Try it. Within 1 week, I was back in UK. I called her. I said, can you believe that the entire area is completely smooth? I feel nothing. It was like the moment I stopped using the tissue and start using a simple little face rug, the entire thing went away. Look at that. No doctor could have told me. And I confirmed it with my mom, who is someone who is always working with elderly people. And she said, oh, you should have told me. Just don't use tissue. So there's so many people that tissue affects. And me, big woman, I didn't even know that. That was one experience. There was another experience that this one I heard about. Someone was having, infection in the area. Infection or smell. Just funny smell from that private area. They kept going to the doctor. The doctor said, no infection. Every time they checked, there was no infection. But there was this constant little funny smell. And the person is clean. The person keep themselves clean. One day, the person was told, just like me, stop using tissue, get a little soft rug, walk with it, keep it clean, and every time you wee, use it. It's not for anywhere else, just for that particular place. Within a few days, the entire thing the smell went. It's as if nothing existed. Guys, nobody's paying me for this, eh? I am here because, as I said to you, I heard a celebrity telling another lady she needs to sort herself out because she has infection. Sometimes these things happen to the someone who is very clean. These things happen to people who bath 24/7. These things happen to people who take excellent care of themselves. It's just sometimes it's just a little change, just a little old-fashioned knowledge or experience that sometimes even the doctors are not able to tell you, because there are so many things that my mom have taught me as an older lady in her 70s that have been to the doctors for other don't know. And my mother said, drink this, try this, and it worked like magic instantly. So if you're one of those people that's constantly having a smell in the private area or rash or anything that you're uncomfortable with, you've been to the doctor, there's no solution. Just a few days. Stop using tissue, get a little rug and use it in the private area. Keep it clean and use it and only it alone. And really and truly, if that's the issue, it will go. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Do come back and comment. If you've tried it and it worked, come back and comment. If you don't want no one to see your name, maybe leave it anonymously. But let me know if this worked and give this video a like. Thank you.